Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sharice, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, welcome back. We are starting this vlog off with a little get ready with me for my photo shoot later. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can become a part of the family, and also turn your post notifications on so you can get notified every time I post a video. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, make sure you give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube knows that you like content like this, and also go ahead and help your girl out as well.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. I really hope you play this, cause oh girl, you test my patience with all these seductive photographs and all these one-off vacations you've been taking. Clearly a lot for me to take in, it don't make sense. Young East African girl, you too busy fucking with your other man. I was trying to put you on game, put you on a plane, take you and your mama to the motherland. I could do it, maybe one day, when you figure out you're gonna need someone. When you figure out it's all right here in the city and you don't run from where we come from. That sound like poetic justice, poetic justice. You were so new to this life, but goddamn you got adjusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex, your natural hair and your soft skin and your big ass and that sundress. Ooh, good God, what you doing that walk for? When I see that they move, I just wish we would fight less and we would talk more. They say communication save relations, I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write them down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know just what you want. Poetic justice, put it in the song, alright.
Okay guys, so I'm on my way to the photo shoot. It's in Long Island City. It's going to take me about 30 minutes or so to get there. So yeah, I have on my first outfit because I thought I might have been late, so I just wanted to make sure that I at least had this outfit on, so when I go, literally just gonna be taking pictures. And after that, after the photo shoot, then I have my eyebrow appointment. Yeah, so after that I have my eyebrow appointment, which I'm super excited about. I'll get my brows microbladed, so I'm gonna show you guys the process and how they look. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when I get to the photo shoot. We'll do like a little behind the scenes, and then I'll show you guys the end results and everything. You'll probably see them on my Instagram. So yeah.
Diamonds on. Chain talking about. Put it on. Screw. Straight up. Screw. Straight up. Screws. Straight up. Screw to a pin. Straight up the street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all on the cheap. It's a new weirdo every week. You the what, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Don't do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your ass can play. No disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the race. Practice make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never. I take the out of the snake. I take the soul out the snake. Then I take the bills up out of the bank. The blog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gon' bite on the bait. Sipping on toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great. Mask on the face, case. Watching this out, we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. No cap, my kids gotta have money, not just me. It's selfish. Ooh, I take the crown off the king like Mike did Elvis. Ooh, the world is wild, he dying, no lie, that don't help him. Ooh, your bitch wanna eat up the drip, and you cannot help it. Straight up the street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yo, niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I beat these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all on the cheap. It's a new weirdo every week. You the what, put it up for my seeds. No cure for the IG disease. Don't do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mouth still say what he wants to. Pussy still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They're using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna.
Good morning, guys. So welcome back to another vlog. So today we are going to just hang out, have a little family day. So right now I'm just we might actually go to the zoo. So right now I'm just gonna make myself some tea so I can get myself ready, and then we are gonna go and have a fulfilled day. I'm so excited. So I got my do-rag on because I already did my hair. So I kind of just put like some mousse and some leave-in conditioner on my hair and tied it down so that it could be super flat. Look at my eyebrows, you guys. So I did my eyebrows. I did microblading to my brows and they're starting to peel. They look crazy. So I can't even do my makeup, so I'm just gonna brought some shades today. So yeah, so I actually have been drinking this positive energy tea. I want to tell you guys, it lifts my spirits and it just makes me have such a good day. This is legit. So yeah, so I'm gonna make myself some tea. So this is a sweet tangerine positive energy tea. It supports elevated mood and energy levels. It really works, y'all. I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna put some milk in there. My water is boiled, so I already made some tea for the morning. I just kind of forgot about it and it didn't taste really good after I got back to it. So I can't wait to go outside today. I've been in the house and I've been working for the last 7 days or so. So, oh no, I lied. I have like, yeah, we're gonna go outside soon. Mommy's gonna drink some tea and then get dressed, okay? And then we can go outside. So it says to let it steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm gonna let it sit there for a little bit. I just added my sugar. So I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. so I can go and get dressed. I think I want to just wear some jeans. Take your foot out. Some jeans and a cute top. I'm gonna go get ready, okay? Sit down with daddy. So I think I want to wear some jeans. I have so many cute pairs, but I think I don't know what I want to wear. What is the weather? Hey Siri, what is the weather today? 81 degrees. Oh hell no. I'm so dramatic. It is 81 freaking degrees today. That means it's gonna be hot, hot. So I'm thinking I'm just thinking I'm gonna be outside, so I want to wear like shorts or something. I want to wear some shorts. Oh, I think I'm gonna wear, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. So we finally made it to the zoo.
It's a mongoose? Not touch it. Don't touch it. I want it to just flare. Oh, jeez. You saw that? You got all kind of trees in them. I just wanted to flare one time. Oh, it looked like trees. It's not trees. I just bugged out. You peep? His wings look like trees. Tree? Nah, you gotta go back. His dead ass wings look like tree something.
We made it. It's a date night and we are excited.
Something like that.
What did we hit 16?
No.
So it's a rooftop lounge. Lordy.
And my brother already was told he can't smoke.
It's okay, we can drink and we can have fun. So I'm finally home. I had a very successful date night. So I want to close out this video and say thank you guys so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave some comments down below just so I can get some interactions on my posts, because it really helps me out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.